This is one of the rocky outcrop plant of Western Ghats and maybe other parts of India also. It's a native plant, and if my memory serves right, it's called Anisochilus carnosus, I think. But whatever it is, I'll write the correct name on the title. Very beautiful flowers. It's related to that plectranthus, that Indian borage, and it's also Ayurvedic herb and all. Very beautiful flowers. And then it occurs on these rocky outcrops like this. Some 3 inches of mud is there. In that, this plant community is growing.